The Nile River, a name that echoes through history. For centuries, it has been a lifeline for millions. From the time of the pharaohs to the present day, the Nile has shaped civilizations. This great river flowing from the heart of Africa is a source of life, sustenance, and inspiration. The Nile's presence is deeply woven into the fabric of human history. In the Bible, we find tales of the Nile. Moses, placed in a basket, was set adrift on its waters. The Nile's delta, a fertile expanse, provided refuge for the Israelites. These ancient stories remind us of the river's enduring significance. Even today, the Nile's importance is undeniable. It is a vital source of water for millions in northeastern Africa. Its fertile banks continue to produce crops, sustaining life. The Nile's journey, a testament to the power of nature, continues to captivate our imagination. The Nile embarks on an epic journey, stretching over 6,800 kilometers. It is a river of immense scale, flowing northwards from the heart of Africa to the Mediterranean Sea. Its source, high in the mountains of Burundi, marks the beginning of this incredible voyage. The Nile is formed by the convergence of three major tributaries. The Blue Nile, originating in Ethiopia's Lake Tana, carries with it the rich silt that nourishes the land. The White Nile, flowing from Lake Victoria, contributes its steady flow to the river's might. And then there's the Atbara, another Ethiopian tributary, adding its strength to the Nile's flow. As the Nile flows north, it encounters diverse landscapes. It carves its way through mountains, meanders across plains, and finally fans out into the fertile Nile Delta before reaching the Mediterranean Sea. This delta, a triangular expanse of rich land, is a testament to the river's life-giving power. The Nile's gift to humanity is its ability to transform arid land into fertile fields. For millennia, the river's annual floods have deposited nutrient-rich silt along its banks. This natural irrigation system allowed early civilizations to flourish. The ancient Egyptians, masters of agriculture, developed ingenious methods to harness the Nile's power. They constructed canals and irrigation ditches, directing the floodwaters to their fields. This allowed them to cultivate crops like wheat, barley, and flax, staples of their diet. The Nile's bounty extended beyond staple crops. The papyrus plant, growing abundantly along the riverbanks, became a source of paper, baskets, and even boats. The Nile's resources were skillfully utilized, shaping the culture and economy of ancient Egypt. The Nile's bounty: freshwater, fish, and power. The Nile's significance extends far beyond agriculture. It is a vital source of fresh water for millions of people. Along its banks, communities rely on the river for drinking, washing, and sanitation. The Nile sustains life in its most basic form. The river teems with fish, a vital source of protein for communities along its length. From the Nile perch to the catfish, these aquatic creatures provide sustenance and livelihood. Fishing, a way of life for generations, remains an integral part of the Nile's ecosystem. In the modern era, the Nile's power has been harnessed for hydroelectricity. Dams, like the iconic Aswan High Dam, generate electricity for millions. This renewable energy source plays a crucial role in the development of nations along the Nile. The Nile in the modern era. Challenges and opportunities. The Nile, once a symbol of abundance, now faces challenges in the 21st century. Population growth, industrial development, and climate change are putting increasing pressure on its resources. Ensuring equitable access to the Nile's water is paramount. The construction of dams, while providing electricity, has also altered the river's natural flow. This has impacted ecosystems and traditional ways of life. Finding a balance between development and sustainability is crucial for the Nile's future. Despite these challenges, the Nile remains a source of hope. International cooperation, sustainable water management practices, and a commitment to conservation can ensure that this iconic river continues to sustain life for generations to come. The Nile's story, a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and humanity, is far from over. Subscribe, like, and share.